Hey everyone, here is a challenging geometry problem. Inside a square of side lengths a large circle and a smaller circle are arranged as shown. Both circles touch the black quarter circle arc and they are tangent to each other at this point. We are going to find the ratio of the large radius to the small radius. We denote the radius of the large circle by capital R and the radius of the smaller circle by lowercase r. Each side of the square has length a. We draw a radius of the large circle perpendicular to the bottom side of the square, this dashed line. Next, we draw a line segment connecting the center of the large circle at point B to the bottom left corner of the square at point A. For the right triangle ABH, we can write the Pythagorean theorem as this. Since AH and BH that we have here both have lengths r, then AB equals a square root of 2 times r. Because AD has the length a, that means AC, the radius of the black quarter circle arc, is also a. In other words, AB plus BC is a. By substituting BC and AB that we found here in terms of r, we get a as 1 plus a square root of 2 times r. Now we are going to find the line segment EF. We draw a radius of the small circle perpendicular to the right side of the square. EFK is a right triangle. We can write the Pythagorean theorem as this, and since EK and KF both have lengths r, we find that EF equals a square root of 2 times r. Now we are going to find AF in terms of the radius of large circle and the radius of the small circle. AF is equal to AB plus BC plus CE plus EF. We already found AB and EF in terms of the lengths of circle radii. And also BC is the radius of the large circle and CE is the radius of the small circle. This gives us AF as this expression. Also, if we find AF using the Pythagorean theorem in terms of A, the length of the square, as this, we get AF equals a square root of 2 times A. Now we have three equations, 1, 2, and 3. Substituting equation 1 into equation 3 and equating the result with equation 2, we obtain this expression in terms of the circle radii. If we cancel out 1 plus square root of 2 from both sides and simplify it, we get this. Now we multiply both sides by square root of 2 plus 1. The right side becomes r. Now, dividing both sides by the radius of the small circle r, we get the ratio of the large radius to the small radius as 1 plus square root of 2. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.